Mhm. Hi, this is Patty from Flower and Flower, and today I just wanted to do a real quick maintenance video. You can see in front of me I have my African Daisies ground cover, and it's a pretty good carpet of flowers in this area. Um, I've gone through and I've picked out a lot of the weeds, but I still have many more to go. But the goal for this video is really not this, it's really this. And this area over here, it is completely overrun with grass. In fact, I've been working on it already, and I decided to stop and take a picture of it so you guys could see the before and the after. So the goal today is to remove all of the weeds up along this area right here, and I want it to look like the other side. However, I did buy some African daisies today. They're a little slightly different variety. They have a really cool stripe in the center of them, and I think they're very pretty, and I think it'll be a nice contrast. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started pulling my weeds, and after I'm done, I'll show you what it looks like, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do to prevent future grass to grow in this area. All right, see you soon. Okay, so here I planted some more African daisies along this little strip here, and I got them all put in the ground. I got it all weeded, and then I put some mulch over the top. So let's see how long it takes to fill in. I think this should be enough, but we'll keep you posted on it. Okay. Hi everybody, this is Patty, and this is a follow-up for 6 months after I planted these plants, which are the Gazanias. And I think they're stunning. I just love them. They're huge flowers, and when the sun is out like it is right now, they open up and they're just glorious. So I had planted these from one flat, and I went up my embankment here, and what the hope was is that they would fill in the whole area. It looks like I lost a few in here because I'm going to need to plant more in this corner and more against this one little area that's hugging the fence line. But they are fantastic. I can't believe how big they got in 6 months. They're just huge and healthy and robust. Now, in my previous footage from 6 months ago, I had this full of Super Tunia Bubblegum Vista, and they actually petered out, except for this. And I'm hoping that from this little plant, it will get huge again like it did last year. I actually had 2 plants in here, and it filled this whole area with just bright pink color, and it was beautiful. So I'm hoping that this will you know, carry on, because in my area, which is 10A, it's supposed to be a perennial, which means that they should last year round. What happened is they kind of went dead on me. I got a lot of this happening, and so I cleaned them up, and some of them just came right out of the ground. This one survived, and it looks like it's throwing out new shoots of green, healthy plants. So we'll have to keep an eye on that and let you know if it really is a perennial. So anyways, I'm really pleased. I still have been weeding through here because this was pretty much never taken care of, and you can see that there's a lot of grass growing in between. So it hasn't really solved the whole weed issue, but I think as time goes on and they grow thicker, you know, cover it and the grass won't get any sun, so it'll die out. But anyways, I just wanted to share them with you because I think it's a great choice if you live in a hot climate and you're looking for something that will kind of cover an embankment area. It's beautiful. They come in lots of different colors and varieties, and like I have these yellow ones over here that they're smaller head, and they're not as fancy as those. And then I have these really pretty pink ones over here. They're not fully open right now because it's a shade area, but I have these pink ones which have a lighter color foliage and a pink flower, and I just think they're beautiful. So anyways, that's it for today. Bye.